people, and welcome back to my channel. So you guys said you wanted to see a tutorial on me doing some color, so we're going to try to do that today, and also wear some of my newer lashes that I have coming out, the Thicky Thick collection. I'm not really sure if I want to put them out, so we're going to be testing those as well. You guys know how we do it. This is Milk and Magnesia on my face just to get started. I've already done my brows, and now we're going to start with the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. Just going to apply that all to the face, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so I've applied the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Ebony as my contour, and now we're just going to blend it out. I'm going to be working kind of fast today, guys, because I am already like 30 minutes late. So if you guys have any questions, just feel free to, leave a comment below, and I'll try to answer it for you. Okay, so now I'm going in with the e.l.f. concealer. This is in the shade Deep Chestnut, and I'm going to just highlight with this. And then we're going to blend this out. Alright people, so I've already finished the look. You guys know I set my foundation with the Fenty Beauty. We're now going to go in with our James Charles palette, and we're going to be using like these pinks and purple colors and stuff. So we're going to be using that. We're going to start off with the pink color, and we're going to just apply this to our lid. I'm sorry again if this is going kind of fast. I'm just really rushing right now. Like, I'm so behind schedule. I was goofing off this morning. It's totally my fault. Like, just like, hey, I can get like 10 more hours of sleep. Wrong. No, you cannot. No, you cannot. Now look at you. You're rushing. But I really wanted to do some color for you guys, because I know you guys have been asking about that. And I am just simply building this color. You guys know how I does it. Gonna just build in here. And we may even be doing some glitter today, just depending on how much time I actually have, because I'm running late. Okay, so now we're going to go in with like this little cranberry color right here. So you guys can see it. Move it here. Oh, your hand right there. Okay. I'm going to go in with like that little cranberry color into the crease. We're just going to bring that in there before we go in with purple. I just want to blend this out. Now I'm going in with the deep purple, and we're going to just apply this into the crease just right there, not passing our arch or whatever it's called. And we're just going to blend this right off into there. And then you guys know I always like to try to just bring it in at the bottom a little bit. Okay, so I've cut my crease. Hopefully, I feel like the lighting has changed. I'm not really sure. I've cut my crease, and so now I'm going to go in with, this is like the light purple, and we're just going to blend that all up in there. Kind of, blending it into that darker color as well. You guys know I like to do what I do. We're just going to just do a nice little build up on that. We're now going to go in with like this pink. I have to hold the mirror kind of like right here because I can't see. Like I have a mirror in front of me, but I just feel like I can't see where I'm going. Like I'm blind as a bad people. I wear glasses, but I don't wear them because, you know, I'm part of the cool kids. So, but we're just going to blend this right into the purple color, if that makes sense. Okay, peeps, so I turned down the lights so you guys could really see. I'm now going to add just a smidget of glitter. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter, and this is in, what is this? GLI 07. And we're going to try to apply this just a smidget. Hopefully this comes out the way that I'm looking for it to come out. I mean, I'm not really sure. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. Yeah, I don't want like a lot. I just want like a pop of glitter. You know what I'm saying? Like, hopefully. Alright, so this is the finished look. I am wearing the thick lashes. This is the first time I've ever worn these lashes, so they do not have a name. Let me know what y'all thinking about them. Only my thick girls, not the girls who normally wear like short lashes like me. I don't need you commenting because we know you don't like them. We're talking about the thicks, okay? That's why I want to comment. The thicks. I don't know, y'all. Like, I'm kind of like in the middle. I'm like, they are extremely thick. But they're cute. They're not bad. I don't know. If you guys like this video, then make sure you give me a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and thanks for watching.